Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily mirror Android smartphone screen wired and wirelessly with computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you open any web browser and go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video descriptions. So before proceeding further, let me show you about this applications that is named as Scrippy. If you're new or if you're familiar with it, then you most probably heard about these applications, and if you're new too also, don't worry. Suppose how to install these applications for different computer operating systems like Linux. For Linux, you need to install using this command by opening the terminal. So in case of Windows, you can download this zip file and you can run the scrippy.exe after unzipping this file. So it's very easy in Windows. And even if you're using an Apple Macintosh computer, then you can use this command by application available in Homebrew. So you can use these commands, brew install Scrippy in your Macintosh computers. And there are more different versions, but I'll be talking about these three types of computers. So here I will show you using my Linux computer. So if you're using a Windows computer, then you can download this zip file and unzip it and directly launch that program by connecting your mobile. So you install this application first. I'll not go much details here what is being written, so you can read for the commands what you want to know and you can learn from here, but I'll not go much details on this website, so you can check it out by yourself. So you download and install first. So the things you need is a computer. It may be a Linux or a Windows or a Apple Macintosh computer. And the second thing you need is an Android smartphone, or you can use an Android tablet too. It works for the Android tablet too. And the third thing you need is a USB data cable. So the first process, I will begin with the wired screen mirroring. So firstly, what you need to do in your mobile devices that you can see right now in the video, what you need to do is you need to go to the phone settings and you need to go to the about phone, and you can see here if you're using a Xiaomi phones, then you need to tap on the MIUI global versions, and if you're not using, then also there you will get the OS versions. Just tap on there. As you can see here, tap until the developer option is being turned on. As you can see, in my case, you are already a developer. So once the developer option is turned on, just move back and go to this additional settings, and you can see here the developer options below. So just click on developer options and scroll down below. As you can see here, USB debugging, just turn this on, as I have already enabled it before. So turn it on. So once you are done, what you need to do is just move back to the home screen. Now connect your USB data cable with your mobile, and both with your mobile and your computer devices. So I'm connecting right now with the USB data cable. So now what you need to do is you need to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T in your computer keyboard. Now what you need to type is just type SCRCPY Scrippy and hit enter. Now it will show you your mobile screen. Now when you move your mobile screen, it's being recording right now. As you can see, the mobile screen recording. So in this way you can see the mobile screen recording using the wired connections. So by connecting the wired connections, you can see its mirror screen right now in your computer itself. So how to record this mirror screening that you're right now screening in your computer itself? So what you need to do is just press Ctrl Alt T and open a new window for your terminal. Here what you need to type is, you need to type scrcpy scrippy space dash r, or you can say a minus r space, give any file name. Say I'm just giving a file, that is the name of the file is file, you can change it anything, dot mp4. Here you can do two types of video formats, .mp4 or .mkb also. I've not tried other video formats whether it works or not, but .mp4 and .mkb works perfectly. So after typing this command, hit enter, a new window will be pop up. So you can start recording this, and it is being recorded right now. As you can see here, it's being recorded right now. So once you are done, how to stop recording, just press Ctrl C on your computer keyboard. It will show you a message. You can see here below, recording completed to mp4 file. So to find where this file has been located, I will show you. Just go to this home, and here you can see a recorded file which you have recorded just now. So you can see here the recorded file. So in this way you can record it very easily too. So this is all about screen mirroring using the USB data cable. Now what about the connecting, that is mirror screening wirelessly using your computer and your Android smartphones? So for this too, what you need to have firstly is you should have a same Wi-Fi connection, that is your computer and your mobile devices should be connected with the same Wi-Fi connections. So you can see here in my case, I've been connected with the same Wi-Fi connections. Even in my mobile too, you can see I've been connected with the same Wi-Fi both in my mobile and in my computer itself. So now next thing what you need to do is, if you have removed your USB data cable, then connect it again firstly. Now go to the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. In the terminal what you need to do is, you need to type adb space dcpip space 5555. Once you have typed this command, hit enter. Now you can see restarting the TCP. Now remove your data cable from your computer and also from your mobile. Now open a new window, that is a new, you can use here itself, but you can use a new window too if you want it. So just now type adb space connect space. Now what you need to do, in your mobile screen you go to the phone settings and go to the about phone, all specs, go to the status and check for the IP address here, which you need to type in your computer. Now type the IP address Once you have typed the IP address, put colon 555 4 5s. Now once you have typed that command, now hit enter. Now it is connected, it's showing it's connected. Now what you need to do is type scrcpy script p, hit enter. Now your screen is mirroring wirelessly between your computer and your mobile devices. So in this way you can connect wirelessly. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.